Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Quick Settings and locating the screen recorder tile. Long press it to go straight into recorder settings. Grant microphone and storage permissions now, because the recorder needs both to save and capture sound. Once done, pick Sensible Defaults, 1080p for clarity, 30 FPS for smooth motion, and choose your audio source so recordings include voice or internal sound. Make sure you disable interruptions by enabling Do Not Disturb. Tap record and watch the short countdown. It gives you a moment to position the app you want to capture. While recording, rely on the floating controls to pause, resume, or draw annotations. This keeps your flow natural and prevents redoing long segments. Make deliberate choices about audio. Internal audio records app sounds, microphone captures your narration. Choose based on the final use. Once done, avoid interacting with system notifications. Instead, use the floating stop button to finish cleanly. When you tap stop, the recorder saves the file automatically and offers an immediate preview in Gallery so you can trim or re-record right away. If the file is large, export at a lower bitrate or resolution to save space. You can also add a quick voiceover using the editor. If you don't see the recorder tile, enable it in Quick Settings Customization. And if recordings show a black screen, make sure display permissions and overlay rights are granted. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.